In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your Canva document for professional printing. I'm using the free version, so there will be some limitations. In the first thing I want to do is you want to turn on, go to the File menu, go to Settings. You want to turn on Show Rulers and Guides. This will give you the ability to not just see a ruler here, but give us the ability to draw guides on our page to help us and guide us during the layout process. As a rule of thumb, a good safety margin for objects as they approach the edge of a document is 0.125. So you can click and hold on the ruler, then drag down, get it to as close as 0.125 as you can. It can be readjusted. Do that on all four sides of your document. Once you do that on all four sides of your document, you'll have to do some math there to just make sure it gets to the right spot. You want to use this to keep in mind where objects should or should not be. So for example, I would not want text that I want to keep on the page to be in this safety margin area. I want to keep it clear of anything I don't want cut into. So I'm going to keep that over here. This object, although it's in the safety margin, I actually intend it to go to the edge and to be trimmed off during final production. So it's okay for this to be in the safety margin. This object is going to eventually bleed, and I'll show you how to do that properly now too. So anything that's on the edge and is going to end up being printed to the edge, you want to go back to the File menu, go to Settings, and go to Show Print Bleed. This object now should actually extend all the way beyond the edge of the paper, the edge of my document. It can even go farther, but it has to go at least to the edge of that. And now this object is ready to be professionally printed, because essentially when this gets trimmed, I need a little extra of the image so I can trim it off. In the event that there's slight movement during printing, we don't want to cut here and see white. Finally, once your safety margin is clear, your layout is set, your print bleed is also set, go to the Share button, choose Download, choose the under file type, the PDF print, turn on Crops and Bleeds, do not flatten. Unfortunately, we only have RGB to choose here for color profile with the free account. So that means you could experience shifting of color during production. So if color matching is important to you, please request a hard copy proof to make sure you're happy with the outcome, and then hit download. And once your file downloads, you'll see that you get this PDF. There's your trim marks, your bleed margin, and things are ready to be professionally printed. Go ahead and send us that file. That's it. Thank you.